Welcome to Sunfield Restaurant, Ottawa's favorite spot for home cooking and great service at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. With menu options ranging from stir-fry to Mediterranean, Italian to Tex-Mex, and everything in between, you're sure to find your favorite. Sunfield Restaurant is proud to serve the butcher's best cuts of steak and pork, not to mention everyone's favorite barbecue ribs and roasted chicken. Our salads are straight from the garden, our sandwiches are piled high, and you won't find fresher, more delicious seafood anywhere. To complement your meal, we offer a full-service bar with beer, wine, and cocktails. And don't forget to end your meal with a little something sweet from our fabulous dessert menu, featuring pies, cakes, and ice cream treats. Come see us in Ottawa or visit us online. You'll be glad you did.